All right, so this is going to be negative 7 times negative 14, which is positive 108. And then under there, you're going to have 7 times 91. That's actually 98. 35 times 91, which is a giant number. So break down those. It's 5 times 7 times 7 times 13. There's your pair. So out comes a 7. 686 root 65. Here, again, 3 times 7, 5 times 7. There's no pairs to simplify, but you can see there's a pair there. So out comes a 7, and in there stays 15. Simplify anywhere you can. You can't really, so it's 5 root 350 plus 5 root 60, and then you can simplify there. That's 35 times 10, which is 7 times 5 times 5 times 2. There's your pair, 25 root 14. And 60 is, you could go 10 and 6, and 5 and 2 and 2 and 3. There's your pair. So it's plus 10 root 5 and 3 are under there, 15. Root 450 plus 14 root 5. 450 is 45 times 10, which is 9 times 5 times 5 times 2. There's a square root, 3. There's a square root, 5. 15 root 2 plus 14 root 5. Negative 8 root 100 n squared. Out comes a 10. Negative 80, out comes an n, leaving nothing under there. 12 root 36x cubed. Out comes a 6, out comes an x, 72x. And what's left under there? X. 8 root 15 minus 20 root 9, which is 8 root 15 minus 20 times 3, which is 60. And it's done. And negative 4 root 20x plus 8 root 10x. That's 5 times 4, so that's negative 8 root 5x plus 8 root 10x. And it's done. Cancel. Root 5. Cancel. Root 9 over root 16 equals 3 over 4. Cancel. Root 16 over root 12. I would rationalize right now to get root 4 times 4 times 4 times 3 over 12. Out comes a 3 2's, which is 8 root 3 over 12. Then I simplify to 2 root 3 over 3. This one, cancel. It'll cancel in a sec, of course. Root 4 over root 5 times root 5 over root 5 equals root 20 over 5, which equals, that's 4 times 5, so it's 2 root 5 over 5. Here, forget about the negative till the end. Just deal with this. I need to multiply by 2 root 5 plus 5 root 2. 2 root 5 plus 5 root 2. So that is going to be 10 root 10 plus 25 root 4 over 4 times the root of 25 minus 25 times the root of 4, which is 10 root 10 plus 25 times 2 is 50 over 4 times 5 is 20. 25 times 2 is 50. 20 minus 50 is negative 30, and there's a negative out in front, don't forget. Two negatives make a positive, so it's 10 root 10 plus 50 over 30. Cancel, cancel, cancel. And it's root 10 plus 5 over 3. And then here, I need to multiply by 4 root 5 minus 5 root 2, which is, the negative is up, can stay up top, or you can leave it till the end. That's 8 root 15 minus 10 root 6 over 16 root 25 minus 25 root 4, which is 8 root 15 minus 10 root 6 over 16 times 4 is 64, or 16 times 5 is 80. 25 times 2 is 50, so that's going to be over 30. It's negative. Cancel, cancel, cancel. 2 goes into all of them. 4 root 15 minus 5 root 6 over 15, and that's all negative. Now, if you really wanted to get technical, 4 root 15 over 15 minus root 6 over 3 would be the best answer, and that whole thing would be negative.